Hello everyone, Alfie Zionist back today with a brand new video. And today's going to be part 2 of the case opening. Another update as well. I finally got loads of money. While I wasn't recording, I managed to get 500 grand. And from, I leaked it, never mind. From there on forwards, I've just been buying cars, like upgrades and 9 kits. So, another GTR. And I named it which one because I don't know if it's the Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, I'll take the GE6. But we've still got Blue Monster, the absolute monster. So we're going to do a race in the not going to do a race. Let's just get straight into the cases. Crates cases, yellow orange. Probably can't always get those. I can't. SL VIPs, VIPs, but VIP. Yeah, so I got that, and then I just started selling stuff, and I got oh, it's only an SL20. Oh, not much. Oh, intercooler. That's cool. With the XR type. We got VX Type M Black. Oh, two intercoolers. Another intercooler, VX Type M Black again. That's turn this on a bit. So yeah. That's good. So yeah, I have also hacked this game as well, so it's just gonna be like infinite crate openings because I have the in-app purchases hack for Lucky Patcher. Oh, Neo headlight tint. I don't think I've had that. Monster green. Ooh, that's nice. Trambo monsters. Oh my. VX Titanium R. That's a good exhaust to get. Oh, just what you want. A bike on my race car. Or VX Steel. They sell for a fair bit. Oh, 15k. That's good, that's good. That's a start. SL Drens. Oh, 40k, that's good. Oh, okay. I've just got 3 money. I just got 3 money in a row, so get enough one. Oh, please, I just want to get more money. Oh, I had to end in there with a bike. Oh, green boon slicks. I haven't got those yet. Well, no, don't like that. SSM access. SL Rats SG. T30 BTS. How far? Oh, only 3 minutes. Okay. What did I get? Huelwood. Oh my goodness. Ooh, those look nice. AV Sports. Okay. SL Rats. Okay. And the final case. VX Titanium R. So, I'm not sure if I should sell some stuff. No, this is a crate opening. We're gonna get crates. Dealership, is it? No, dealership. Okay, garage. There you go, in the shop. We'll get 50 crates. Here we go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them all in this, but I'm going to get 100 crates and do some for the next episode. There we are. That's good. So there we go. I'm going to go up to... I'm not sure. SL VIPs. Another SR20. I get like I get excited when I see that, but I was like, no, it's like nothing good really. I'm not getting good stuff really. I did get a bit of cash earlier, but then that's it. But I know all these wheels I'm getting, I didn't realise they were worth like. Well, in the last video when I had the green wheels, those neon green wheels, the first ones, I didn't realise they were worth like 600k. Like, just mad. The wheels I had, there's way too many wheels. But you know, I want to store up on them, so I can just sell them and go. 10k, ooh, that's a start, because I did get 4 in a row last time, so. Oh, never mind. Oh, there's another pair of baby sports. Another pair of wilds. Always get wilds. Ooh, no, not really. Those aren't nice. We'll get them to 18, then we're gonna sell some stuff. Oh, 6 minutes. Ah! Come on. 5k. Still a bit of cash. I'm sure there is a skyline in this game, so I'm gonna go in the dealership and see if I could find it. So yeah, down to 80k for this. Let's go sell some stuff. So, intercoolers. No one has that. No one's equipped that. Okay, I've already got that one. I'm gonna sell that one. Wait there. There you go. Anything else? No, because that's on Blue Monster. Inventory. I don't use these anyway. 1 GC. Wait. Okay, I guess I'll both my SR20s. No, body kits, I don't need anything. What about turbos? Nope. Pistons. Oh, whoa, what is it? What is it? VX Forge. And, Pro lights. Intakes. I know I have a fair amount of intakes. Oh. Okay, I'm using them all. No, there's no point in selling those, they're not going to get much money. Well, it does sell for quite a bit. So, exhaust. I have loads of exhausts. No! Oh, just went too far. Okay, I'm gonna need to buy those back again. Where were they? Where are they? Yeah, it's only 10 horsepower. Get those back, because I just sold those, and that's on my, like, BRZ build, kind of. Suspension. Inventory. Okay. Brakes. I have loads of brakes, I know that. Oh, they sell for a bit, don't they? 4K piece. I ain't complaining. Or ECUs. VX speed, don't need that. VX plus do that. Yeah, you know what's called that. One. So I don't have an ECU for. Wow. I don't have any. Oh, never mind. Lights. Not even lights. It's just random. It's just. Oh goodness. So, yeah. Which one? Need to put the exhaust back on. In here, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. That's better. But now we're just gonna dyno some cars so you can hear the sound and like horsepower. Okay, tune. Remember this number: 1000 1381. 1381. Remember it. Okay. So now I'm gonna this car now is just amazing. The first bit appears. I beat it. So let's go on the GTR and then we're going to end it. Look at this. It's all-wheel drive. Ah! This thing nearly had 2175. I beat up. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the episode. I'm going to upload this now. And hopefully bring out some more in a bit. Goodbye.